Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap North Vancouver, local and long-distance movers near me. If it's time to move, you need to find a cheap North Vancouver moving company to help you. Hiring 3 Movers gives you access to all the necessary moving options. We offer affordable rates for local and long-distance moves of all types. Our professional movers have helped many people with a variety of residential and commercial moves. Let us help you with your long-distance moving needs. We can even provide the following: packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Relocating is never easy. Whether you're going 100 miles or 2,000 miles, it's a hassle and requires a ton of work. When you need to take on a long-distance move, our team is ready to take away the stress and the process for you. Hiring the right Canada moving company can make any local move super easy and convenient. It's not easy to move. Even if you're just going a few miles away, the help of a professional mover can help save you time and energy. 3 Movers knows how to make your local move so much easier. We can take the stress out of your move and get you settled in sooner. In addition to local and long distance moving, our North Vancouver moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.